sign for Jodi to get the ultimate sentence.
Anahita Sedaghatfar for the defense.
Well, Jane, this is going to be very difficult for the defense, quite frankly, because at this point, their only job is really going to have to be trying to save Jodi Arias' life. And they're going to have to get in there during the aggravation phase and try to convince those jurors that Travis Alexander really didn't suffer during this killing. And if this wasn't really a compromised verdict, that's going to be hard because you're making that argument to the same 12 jurors that just spoke loud and clear that they unanimously feel this was a premeditated first-degree murder case.
Yeah, I agree with you. Fred Teesey for the prosecution. You're not going to convince them now that, oh, the gun went off accidentally in self-defense. So how will the defense try to save Jodi Arias' life? Ironically, I think their best bet might be saying she's mentally ill and going with what the defense said, that she had borderline personality, what the prosecution said, that she had borderline personality disorder.
You can't. Having debated that and tried to contest that during the trial, that's absolutely off the table. Look, I have said this from the get-go. It's too late to try and save this woman's life. Those two lawyers, I guarantee you will see the file when this is all over and done, told this woman not to go this route, told this woman that she was going to get convicted, and this is what Jodi Arias wanted. If they wanted to save her life, they should have started that 3 months ago. It's too late. They've jumped off the cliff, and nothing at this point, quite frankly, can and should save this woman.
I agree with that. I think that they absolutely, she should have pled a sanity.
What she should have did.
They probably shouldn't have gone with self-defense. It probably would have been better to go for a heat of passion manslaughter from the beginning and not wait until the closing. But I don't think that death is necessarily for sure on the table. The defense is still going to have the opportunity to argue some mitigating factors. If Jodi gets up there and shows extreme remorse, genuine remorse, then she has a chance. Again, it all really depends on whether or not the jury made their decision today based on a compromised verdict, or if it truly was that they all wanted a
She had 19 days. She had 19 days to show her remorse. 19 days.
She doesn't have
Jane, if I can jump in for a second. Jane, if I can jump in.
All right, Jane, let me ask these questions, and we're going to try to answer them on the other side.
That's what they deserve.
Anahita Sedaghatfar, should Jodi Arias speak up in her own defense to try to save her life?
Jane, I think she has to, because aside from her appeals, which I guarantee you will be coming, she has no choice. This is her last opportunity to plead with those jurors, beg for them to spare her life. She's going to have to show genuine remorse. She's going to have to show that she can make something of her life.
Body.
She doesn't. Well, you know what, John?
Genuine remorse. She's had years
does she just go in there and say, "Give me the death penalty"? Does she just go in there?
You can yell all you want, but the bottom line is this.
No, she has nothing to
lose.
She
has nothing to lose at this point.
Let Dana Zwickel speak. Hold on. Order in the panel. Order in the panel. Dana Zwickel, say what you would like to say.
Thank you, Jane. She has nothing to lose at this point. Her life is on the line. She's gone this far. Yes, I understand that they didn't
while you were interrupting. Please
let me say this. I think her best shot for saving her life.
Make it so.
Hold on. All right. I think the best shot for saving her life, honestly, is for the defense to say something that actually the prosecution said, that she's mentally ill.